Do you really need to spend big bucks to learn English? Or is it possible to become fluent with completely free methods? If you are wondering the answer to this question, you are in the right place. Today I am going to tell you step by step the most effective ways to learn English at zero cost, without the need for expensive courses or private lessons. There was a time when I used to think that learning English was only possible with a big investment. Like everyone else, I thought that enrolling in courses, taking private lessons, and spending money on expensive books was a must. But over time, I realized that with the right resources and methods, it is possible to improve my English for free. In this video, I will share with you the methods that I have discovered and that many people have used successfully. If you think you need to spend a lot of money to learn English, I recommend you watch this video to the end, because I'm about to show you how you can effectively learn a language at zero cost. And if you find these tips useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. Part 1. Is learning English really expensive? Many people think that learning English is very expensive. Do you think so too? Share your opinion in the comments. I'm really curious. Looking at traditional language learning methods, language schools and private lessons can be quite expensive. For example, annual tuition fees for language schools in the US range between $10,000 to $15,000 USD on average. If you opt for private lessons, hourly rates usually range between $30 to $100 USD. In addition, studying abroad can cost between $20,000 to $30,000 USD with extra costs such as visas, airfare, and accommodation. Today, however, language learning doesn't have to be so expensive. Thanks to the internet, it is possible to learn English at zero cost with free resources and apps. YouTube, free mobile apps, online courses, and language exchange platforms can help you learn the way you want. In this video, I'll share the most effective ways to learn English with free resources, and with the right strategies, you can use these resources to improve your English without spending any money. If you're really ready to learn, watch the rest of the video, because now I'm going to share these resources with you. Part 2. Free English learning resources. Now let's take a look at the most effective ways to learn English with zero cost. First up, YouTube, the world's largest and free language school. YouTube has thousands of videos that can help improve your English speaking, listening, and writing skills. Some standout channels include BBC Learning English, English Addict with Mr. Duncan, and English Class 101, which offer learners the opportunity to practice. Let's also take a look at mobile apps. First, Duolingo. This popular app allows you to practice for 10 to 15 minutes each day and is perfect for beginners. It's both fun and effective, allowing you to set daily goals and track your progress. You can also use apps like Quizlet to memorize new words and create your own flashcards. Make sure to take advantage of these apps to boost your daily practice. Another fantastic resource is BBC Learning English. This site offers excellent videos aimed at improving English through both news and practical conversations. You can take lessons on grammar, listening skills, and reading. Additionally, platforms like Coursera and the British Council offer free English courses. These sites provide lessons at all levels, giving you the chance to reinforce your English skills. Language exchange platforms. Apps like HelloTalk and Tandem offer you the chance to speak with native English speakers from all over the world. On these platforms, you can learn and practice languages interactively. These types of platforms give you the chance to use what you've learned in real life and help reinforce your knowledge. Which resource would you like to try? Share in the comments. If you have a favorite resource, feel free to share it with others so we can all progress faster together. Remember, the ways to learn English for free are endless. Part 3. Daily Study Plan for Learning English for Free. Now, let's plan how you can regularly learn English with zero cost. Morning routine, 15 to 30 minutes. Start your day by learning 10 to 15 new words with an app like Quizlet. Add these words to a list and review it throughout the day. Next, watch an English podcast or video on YouTube to practice hearing the words and sounds correctly. Afternoon routine, 30 minutes. Spend 10 to 15 minutes working on grammar with Duolingo. This app allows you to naturally learn grammar rules. Additionally, on language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem, chat with English speakers to practice speaking and reinforce the words and expressions you've learned. Evening routine, 45 minutes, 1 hour. To go over everything you've learned during the day, watch an English series or movie. While watching, take note of any new words you hear. Then use those words to write a short journal entry. This will help improve both your writing and thinking skills. Weekly goals. Every week, study new vocabulary 3 times, make a voice recording to improve your pronunciation once, and have a conversation with a speaking partner once. These goals will keep you progressing consistently. Take action. Grab your phone, download Duolingo, and start with just 5 minutes of practice today. Learning English with a regular study plan becomes much easier. Part 4. Success stories and maintaining your motivation. Reaching your goals can sometimes be challenging, but remember that every successful person has faced similar struggles. Here's a success story that will inspire you. Rajesh's story. Rajesh managed to land a job at an international company by learning English using only free resources. Every morning, he studied vocabulary with Quizlet, practiced on Duolingo during his lunch break, and had English conversations on HelloTalk in the evenings. By following his goal with small daily steps, he made great progress in speaking English in a short time. Now, he communicates confidently in both his work and social life by speaking English every day. Maintain your motivation. It's normal to experience a loss of motivation while learning English. But remember, what matters is not where you started, but how you keep moving forward with small steps every day. Break down your goals into smaller tasks. Today, I'll learn 10 new words. Celebrate these small victories as you achieve them. Can't find someone to practice with? If you don't have anyone around you to speak English with, apps like HelloTalk and Tandem allow you to talk with people from all over the world. Online language exchange platforms are a great way to practice speaking. Short on time? If you're struggling with time, there's a solution. Even studying English for just 15 minutes a day can make a big difference in the long run. Regular practice, even for short periods, can help you learn English fluently. Next steps. Now, it's your turn. Implement your daily plan, set your goals, and take one step forward each day. Remember, success comes with discipline. Today, you've learned how to study English using free resources. We explored how to learn English with zero cost through YouTube videos, mobile apps, online courses, and language exchange platforms. Remember, these resources will bring you one step closer to your goal. Now, it's your turn. Start today with one of these resources. Watch a video on YouTube, open Duolingo, or practice vocabulary with Quizlet. Remember, learning English requires patience and consistency, but with discipline, you can achieve great results. By making small progress every day, you'll soon be able to express yourself with much more confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Also, subscribe to my channel so we can continue learning English together in future videos. See you in the next video, stay safe, and keep learning English.